Hi guys, do you want to win a gym bundle worth £1,500 from CrossFit FFH? Here's how. So guys, before we find out how to enter, let's have a look at what you can win. So first things first is the roll top backpack. CrossFit FFH roll top backpack. Loads of room in there, buckle, straps, pretty cool. Then we've got some barbells, protein bars, 12 in there. 12 blood orange knockos. Don't drink them all at once. Or you can if you want to. Speed Demon jump rope. For getting those double unders. We've got an FFH sweatshirt of our new FFH line. You see that? And then we've got one of our CrossFit FFH t-shirts. Obviously, if female, male, two different types of t-shirts, so you can choose which option you want to get and what size. Don't forget guys, there's PTs and massages as well, included in the competition, and the big one is the year free membership to CrossFit FFH. So now we've looked at what we can win, let's find out what you need to do to be entered into the draw. Right guys, so we now know what we're going to win when we enter the competition. Let's have a look at how we enter. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to Instagram. Next thing we're going to do is go and follow CrossFit FFH. Next, we're going to go and find the competition post. And comment to add two friends. And then lastly guys, we're going to share the post on your stories. Super easy to do guys, so go and get those things done on Instagram and you'll be entered into the draw. What do you think about this competition we're doing?
Oh, what a day!